You get the biology. So at the end of the first round, Benkum Senior High School had 11 points. Nandom had 13 points. And St. John's School had 19 points. Contestants, we are in the second round. In this round, we have the speed race, the trusted AI speed race. Each question comes to all schools. You may even take turns in answering. As soon as you're ready with your answer, you ring the bell. And as soon as you are called, you have to give your answer. Because if you don't give your answer you don't start giving your answer, within 3 seconds, you hear this bell. Hearing this bell means you have lost a point because your answer has been considered wrongly given. You starting with, and we have, or this is what you asked us, so this is what we are going to give you, that will earn you a lost point because the bell will go out on you. And it's because in this round, for every wrong answer you give, you lose a point. If you are the first to ring and you get it correct, when you answer, you earn 3 points. When you don't get it, the second school will then ring to answer correctly for 2 points. When they don't get it, third school will ring to answer correctly for 1 point. This round is sponsored by Trusted AI, your real-world experience. I wish all schools the best. We start with a speed race. Find the horizontal range of an 8.0 kilogram object projected at 60.0 degrees above the horizontal with an initial kinetic energy of 4.0 kilojoules. Benkum.
8.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of -1 meter.
Incorrect. You rang after the bell went off. It's 88 meters. What is the activity of 8.0 by 10 to the power 6 atoms of a radionuclide of half-life 5.0 seconds? St. John's.
1.1 by 10 raised to an exponent of 6 becquerel.
Correct. Find the moment of inertia about a diameter of a sphere of radius 0.020 meter and mass 0.20 kilogram. St. John's.
3.2 by 10 raised to an exponent of -5 kilogram meter square.
Correct. The ore mined at Insuta is largely MnO2. Calculate the percentage by mass of manganese in MnO2. Mn equals 55.0. Yes, St. John's.
53.4%.
Repeat your answer.
53.4%.
Incorrect. It is 63.2%. A 100-gram serving of gari supplies 1,500 kilojoules of energy. 100-gram serving of gari supplies 1,500 kilojoules of energy. What mass of gari alone would supply an adult's daily requirement of 9,000 kilojoules? Yes, St. John's.
600 grams.
Correct. How many peptide bonds are present in the single linear polypeptide made up of 45 amino? Yes, Benkum.
44.
Correct. Find the natural number x such that x to the power x equals 11 to the power 242. Yes, St. John's.
X equal to 121.
Correct. Find the solution. Find the solution set of the inequality. The expression x minus 1 multiplying the expression x plus 2 greater than 4. Nandom.
X is said that x is less than 5 or x is greater than 2.
Is greater than
2.
Incorrect. Who was second to ring? St. John's.
A set of values of X.
I'm told it's St. John's. It was Benkum. Sorry, St. John's. Benkum, go ahead.
X is such that x is greater than 3 or x is less than -2.
Incorrect. St. John's.
The set of values of X such that X is
Start again, please.
the set of values of X such that X is a member of all real numbers where X is greater than 2 or X is less than -3.
Correct. Find the common difference of the linear sequence with consecutive terms 2x minus 3, x plus 7, and 15 minus x. So 2x minus 3 is one term, plus 7 is another term, and 15 minus x is another term. St. John's.
The common difference is positive 22.
Incorrect. The bell has gone off. It is 12. Which mineral element is primarily responsible for promoting healthy leaf growth in plants? Yes, Nandom.
Magnesium.
Incorrect. And is a crucial component of soil fertility. St. John's.
Nitrogen.
Correct. Name the taxonomic phylum, that includes organisms like insects? Yes, St. John.
Phylum Arthropoda.
Correct. Which group of organisms do not have any fixed trophic levels in a food chain? Yes, Nandom.
Detritivores. Detritivores.
No, please. They are parasites. And that's the end of the second round.